Jamaica is unique and beautiful. Come and take a tour with me. Like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Welcome to the channel, True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. So right now, I am in Manchester. Place them call. Welcome to Sunshine City in Somerset. So I'm driving northeast in Manchester in Somerset, Sunshine City. So when you're in Somerset, it's about 20 minutes drive to Mandeville town. And once you reach onto Winston Jones Highway, you can either take the left or the right. It can take you back to New Green Roundabout or Greenvale Roundabout. Yeah, so when you're in a Somerset, you know, so the road can be close. So you have to take a little time and paper and use up on the horn. Yeah man, so them call them place here, them call up here, so New York City. Yeah man, New York City in Somerset area. So on your left, we just pass the Somerset Methodist Church. I will jerk on your left. Yeah man, you can have no jerk fish or jerk chicken. Yeah man, at Fire Reid Jerk in Somerset. Yes, with people, nothing cannot beat the country life. Country life is the best in Jamaica. For me, yeah man, so you know when you're in the country, you have every type of different fruits. Your banana, your sweet sap, sour sap, apple, guava. Yeah man, so I love the country life. Mostly organic fruits grow there. Road have people they have to pull off and make them pass. You see them driving here? Yeah man, only true Jamaican vibes can get them driving here. Just take your time on the road. Let no one haste you. Just take your little time and go where you're going. Slowly. Just abide by the road code and everything will be alright. Because a lot of person scared for driving in Jamaica. Yeah, because of the other road users driving so fast, careless and reckless. So just try to do your right. Welcome to Top Road Street. Yeah man, yes, them call them place here. for joining my channel. True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid.